Migen SPA, founded in 1974 and located in the industrial area of Venice, right from the beginning has been characterized for a strong commitment to innovation. Migen's main branches are hydrodynamics, degassing and chemical cleaning, applied chemistry, crude oil tanks remediation systems. The crude oil stored into the big tanks produces deposits for precipitation and settling of the heavy parts of the crude oil, as paraffins, asphaltenes, and other materials. When this polymerization associates with the sedimentation materials, it produces sludge which is very heavy and hard to be mixed and fluidized, so not recoverable. All the system of sludge mixing and fluidization existent in the market have some limits of process or installation, so they are optimal only under special circumstances. Each technology has the aim to fluidize the hydrocarbons imprisoned in the other materials with the scope to recover them and next to be processed and refined. Like crude oil jet mixer system, the system is based on the disruption property that a fluid crude oil flow produces when it impacts a sludge with a specific energy due to the crude oil mass. The sludge can be decomposed through two systems: great liquid flow rate sent with low pressure, low liquid flow rate sent with high pressure. Mixing is obtained introducing jets into the tank through the ducts of the floating roof support, removing the same supports, existent nozzle or manhole, nozzle obtained cutting the floating roof, manhole of the mantle. The system is particularly effective when it comes to mix the sludge of crude oil at a temperature below 30 degrees C and for tanks with diameters of up to 50 meters. For tanks with a longer diameter, it's recommended to install 4 jet systems, essential to speed up the mixing time and get the most efficacious treatment. This system is able to produce a flow rate of 250 cubic meters per hour at a pressure of 9 bars, capable of simultaneously supplying 2 mixing systems, capable of delivering jets at 9 bar with a flow rate of over 100 cubic meters per hour, which generates a range longer than 25 meters. This technology requires that the empty space existing between the sludge level and the floating roof is filled with nitrogen until you get a presence of oxygen in the air lower than 8% to prevent primers due to potential electrostatic charges generated by the jets. This would be dangerous if generated an environment with explosive mixture. An interesting merit of the jet system with large and long-range effectiveness is that it can mix a level of crude oil sludge and liquid up to 70 centimeters by mixing the entire mass without subsequent intake of crude oil fluid, because the strong power of the jet allows to move also the semi-solid sludge laying under a mass of fluid. Migen SPA designs and produces systems and services respecting workers' safety and environment.